Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mahsa Navab from United Realty. Today, I decide to talk about the virtual transaction, which is a new subject in these days, and let you know how we can help our client even in this tough situation. As you know, most of the um, transaction, most of the activities, most of the job, they have to hold on to that, and then there is no activity outside. But we as a real estate agent, still we are trying our best to help our client, especially that we are going to be closer to summertime and the rental activity and the rental market become hot and more hot. So most of the people, they have concern how they can have showing in the house, the houses that they like. Unfortunately, we can say for the tenanted houses, we cannot have any showing. In some exception situation, the tenant cooperate with us, but most of the time, no, the house should be vacant. When the house is tenanted, most of the tenant, they are very nice, and they make a personal video tour, and they show all part of the house. They send it to us as an agent, and we can pass it to our client. Then we can talk about that, if our client likes that house or not. I know it's a very hard decision, but this is the situation right now. Or the other option, eliminate the tenanted houses and then concentrate on a vacant house. Then we can go easily for showing. That one has different story that I have to go through the details, because in these days most of the people, they lost their job, so the landlord become more like fussy and very sensitive about the document, about the financial situation of the people that are looking for a house, that they are more strict. And this is another subject, I want to talk about it later. So today, if I want to talk about the virtual transaction, I can classify them in different level, which is consists of the showing, choosing the property. I can say choosing the property, showing, and put an offer, inspection, appraisal. All of these things in these days can be done in a virtual way, which is alternative way. I myself, most of the times, I go to the house which is vacant, I make a virtual video tour for the client and send it to them, because I know my client, I know what are they're looking for, and talking about what in the house. For example, one of the clients are very sensitive about the kitchen, the appliances. Some people are very fussy about the garage, baseboard, walls, and the other things that they are interested in the house. Sometimes they are very fussy about the bathroom and the washroom set. So I have more zoom, I have more concentration in my video from those section of the house. So then you can bring that video to your client, pass it to them in a proper time. They can watch it several times and ask any question they have with the FaceTime, with WhatsApp, with Telegram, with Zoom, with many other facilities. In virtual way, we can talk to them, meeting each other, and then answer their question. So this way we can help the client to find a proper house if they are really in rush, especially in rental part, that they have limit time, they have to find their house immediately and they want to move out. So I was thinking that this subject can be interested for most of the people. If you have more question about more details that how we can handle this virtual transaction, how we can just show you the properties online, how we can meet each other online, definitely you can call me at 416-618-9394. You can text me, contact me, or even you can email me, mahsa@eleganthomeforyou.com. We are here to help you. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.